Some Cheesy Fiesta Potatoes. We've got 2 large russet potatoes that we've peeled, diced, washed, put them in a 9x13 pan. We took a stick of butter, melted it. We're going to drizzle it over our potatoes. Okay. Now I'm going to kind of toss it to make sure all of our potatoes is going to get some good old butter on them.
Oh, yeah.
We want to make sure everybody has a little butter. Okay. Now we are going to take some Creole seasoning.
Ooh.
Get that on, we'll dump it. And we're going to sprinkle that. Okay. Now we've got some paprika. Well, that Creole seasoning's strong.
Oh, yeah. It usually makes me sneeze.
Okay, you got some paprika. We've got some onion powder. Don't want too much of it, but a little bit help.
Mm-hmm.
And then some garlic powder.
I love some good seasonings.
Okay, and we're going to take some salt. Not a whole bunch, because give me your seasonings. Got that. Okay, now we're going to toss it again. Then we'll add some extra stuff once we get these potatoes done. And this is going to bake at 350 for about 40 minutes, and then you're going to check it to see if your potatoes are tender. If they're tender, they're done. However tender you want them. So let's bake these for 40 minutes.
$40 minutes at 350. Alrighty.
Okay, let's check out our Cheesy Fiesta taco. Not tacos. These ain't tacos. These are potatoes.
Cheesy Fiesta Potatoes.
I got tacos on the brain.
Papas. Or
Okay.
patatas.
Now, while they're still warm, we want to get some Gordo's cheese dip.
Mmm.
And we're going to pour it on our potatoes.
Some people call me Gordo. I think it's a term of endearment, right?
I believe so. Look at that.
Ooh.
You can't go wrong with anything with cheese on it.
This is definitely a fiesta of cheese.
Now, we've got some sour cream. We'll top it off with. They said about a cup. So that's half of this, or the rest of this container. We used half of it earlier. Just kind of marble it through here.
This would be like a great side dish for a party or
Yes.
something.
Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, now you're just gonna let it cool a little bit and then it'll be ready to try.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right, let's get some of these Gordo Cheesy Fiesta potatoes. Nice little helping. Some of y'all are fussing at us about not getting big enough helping, so that's probably still not big enough. But all right, let's try one of these.
You want to save some for supper too.
Yeah.
We thought it'd be best to eat them when they're warm.
These are really good. This would be a great side dish to bring, you know, if you have a family get together or party or something like that.
That'd be a good side
This-
dish with our chicken tacos.
Yeah, actually it would. This will be a hit for sure, y'all.
Okay.